So our topic for today is building a sustainability future or building a sustainable future. Our team name is Team Galo. The members is Jesame S. Galo, Christine Gira Chica, Leah C. Nieto, Nelly C. Donato, Kyla Joy M. Maore, Sandria Embang, and Sheila Joy Acosta. Second slide, please. Introduction. Define sustainability. Explain the concept of meeting present needs without compromising future generations. Highlight the urgency. Discuss the pressing environmental and social challenges facing our planet. Outline the presentation. Briefly introduce the key points to be covered in the following slides.
There are the 3K of challenges versus the climate change. Discuss the impacts of global warming in extreme weather events and rising sea levels. Second is the resource depletion. Highlight the depletion of natural resources like water, forests, and minerals. Lastly is the social inequality. Address the issue of unequal access to resources and opportunities.
Sustainable solutions. First is renewable energy. Explain the benefits of solar, wind, and hydropower. Next is the energy efficiency. Discuss ways to reduce energy consumption through efficient technologies and practices. Lastly is sustainable agriculture. Promote sustainable farming practices like organic farming and agroforestry. Circular economy. Introduce the concept of reducing waste and recycling resources. Green infrastructure. Highlight the importance of urban green spaces and green buildings.
More than template, education and awareness. Emphasize the role of education in promoting sustainable practices. Number 2 is community initiatives. Discuss the impact of community-led projects in creating sustainable solutions. And lastly, policy and governance. Highlight the importance of supportive policies and regulations.
Conclusion. In conclusion, building a sustainable future is a complex challenge that requires a multifaceted approach. We're addressing the key challenges of climate change, resource depletion, and social inequality. We can create a more resilient and equitable world.
Transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, adopting sustainable agriculture practices, and promoting a circular economy are crucial steps towards a sustainable future. Engaging communities through education, awareness campaigns, and community-led initiatives is essential to foster a culture of sustainability. So that's the end of our presentation, which is entitled Building a Sustainable Future.